Meet Piano, a startup from Slovakia the world likes to talk about. It helps online publishers and newspapers to make money again. For a symbolic monthly fee, you can read all the Slovak opinion leading newspapers on the web. So, we came up with a simple, powerful idea. Piano brings important information to people. It helps them get smarter. And if someone does not understand the world properly, he deserves a gift, a Piano subscription. So, we decided to offer Piano not only to our natural, educated and smart audience, but also to everyone who shares misleading or unethical opinions concerning political, social, racial or cultural issues. The more you read Piano, the more you understand the world. We offer Piano through media to those who are not smart enough or misinformed. Then, in the real world, we give it to them directly, to the public figures for their dumb opinions. For instance, Piano was publicly given to the honored member of parliament, who said all homosexuals should be treated as mentally ill patients. Well, he got Piano from us, and we let people know about it on Facebook. Web exploded, and people started talking, sharing, and liking. And of course, we immediately put out a print with a new topic. Slovak celebrities now know that if they say something silly, they might get a gift, a Piano subscription for free.